5 years old, I got attacked by a canine cop dog, and this part of my lip was actually completely disconnected and on the ground. And they sewed, and I had a lot of surgeries as a child to fix this and the scar. And so there was permanent nerve damage in my upper lip, so my top lip was different than my bottom lip. It was white. I had no pigment, so I had two different toned lip. I got them tattooed to even out the pigment in the lip, and it's a game changer.
And who did it?
Jennifer in Cosmetics Transformation, she's the best.
Thank you. So you're coming back for a touch up, and
This is my
is
third time to come back for a touch up with her.
Wow.
She's amazing.
And you are. I was asking you earlier if you were wearing any makeup because you look like you are.
I have zero makeup on right now.
That is amazing.
She's done my eyeliner, she's done my lips and my eyebrows. So
Wow. Well, thank
there you go.
Thank you for trusting me.
Of course.
So a little bit fuller on the lips, a little bit above
just
the line,
just a little
bit under.
Smidge, and to fill in the faded scar right here.
Okay.
Right there.
All right. Let's do it.
Okay.
Okay, so first of all, let's create our guideline with little drops of pigment. We're going to be placing those around the perimeter and following that guideline with our 5-prong round needles to create definition and contour of the lips. The color we're using is Real Red from the Classic Collection. That's the color that I believe will be the most natural looking once it heals. And it's going to take quite a few passes before you will be able to see that it is really a nice uniform line. And as we go along, we can continue adding a little at a time, tweaking the shape and reinforcing what we are trying to define. You will see now coming up that I will be using another set of needles. So I do have two machines that I prepared for this, one with the 5-prong needles, and then these are the 6-prong flat needles, and I like to use those to fill in on the inside to create an ombre kind of an effect by applying it in a horizontal position. This helps to accomplish a lot in a little bit of time. And you will see using the same exact needles, flipping them horizontally as you can see here, then I am able to use it to define the line. So creating lines horizontally, but using it to fill in vertically. So here we are doing the most important part, which is the last minute touches. This is where we perfect the shape of the Cupid bow. Whatever we need, we just got to take a good look at what we've created and just with an eye for detail go in there and perfect. Now I do have this video on full speed, so do not go that fast.
But they look freaking awesome. And I like that you didn't do too much of a hunter's bow.
Yeah.